Look at that bastard. Go stay there.
Don't move. Stay there.
Come inside.
Mom,
Look.
come, baby. Hold this one. Stay there.
Now be there,
Stay
be there. You try. You think I'm traveling.
Stay there. What's so?
You wanna fuck my wife? Look at that. No, be there, be there. Look. No, this,
Okay, no, what?
no.
Stay there. Eh?
Stay there,
No,
stay
but
there.
don't be like some move
Stay there.
there. Move it down. Move it down.
Look at this stupid kid.
Move it down. Move it down.
I'll go show the camera. Papa, send him a motel also. Get here. Okay, ndo kitevyo. Kale makombo ya boye vie. Waso. Vie so le aussi ma vidéo oyeye alobaka ma be pour ngai. C'était prêt. Just 1 second for me to leave the girl.
I will do something bad.
You understand, yeah?
Oh, yo, also, bad to us.
No. No, put the same level for you.
Hey.
Wait.
You see me already, wait. No.
What female nan ye?
Comment tu vas faire des conneries comme ça, hein, mon frère? Pour les soccer.
Wait, don't.
Mais you're your best friend.
Bad things,
No.
This is like an evil man. Oh no! You see the bad things about you? I'm going to show the video. Listen.
Oh my God, man. Stay there because you will piss me off. Do you understand, yeah? Yeah, parce qu'à voyager, avec moi la voyager. Hein? Exagère? Escroc.
But listen, yeah? No. It's bad. No. If it's a game, right? Why are you naked? Tell me why you naked. Why? If it's a game.
I knew he was lying when he was coming to the house.
No, stay.
No,
Stay. You have to stay here.
This is not really bad.
I'm cannot beat him.
No one is gonna beat you. No one. This is wicked, you know. You need Jesus in your life.
Together, you think I'm gonna jump on the plane? This is stupid. He take me to the bus stops. We put the car.
You know the way he's doing it. One thing for my husband. My husband will separate and for him to come and be my husband. What kind of things is this all the time? You always say bad thing that he has got girlfriend.
You say, I go to fuck around, you want to fuck around, maybe can't be able to fuck around.
You have to see. He's taking pictures.
I saw you was his best friend.